All right, Clever Name Garage people. We're out here on a rescue mission. John's prized DeVille gave up its brake lines in an effort to attempt to kill him this morning, and
it tried very hard, but it did not win.
And we've been thinking that outside of, I guess, putting the brake lines on this car, everything we've got is a long-term project. So if any of you people out there in YouTube land have a vehicle that could be cool or is almost cool but needs the love and attention of the Clever Name crew, we're gonna make a one-time offer. And the offer being,
bring it to us and we'll make it happen.
Free,
and we'll make it happen.
Free labor.
Only
you buy the parts.
What about the idea? The ideas are free as well.
Ideas are free. We will kick it around. I've always thought it would be cool to lower a Ford Flex and put some big ass tires on it and tune it and everything, but I don't know.
The idea on this too.
Yes, we did have
to nitrous.
We were
32 valve Northstar V8
until it goes poof. But that's the thing. If you got something that could be cool, let us know. We'll talk, and perhaps
no ideas, poo-poo.
Perhaps your car could be the next one on the Clever Name transporter. So again, like and subscribe and all that crap, but let us know what you got. This is a one-time offer because we need some YouTube content.
And we're bored.
And we're bored.